everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to create this very beautiful accordion folding album using handmade belly band, and these are all handmade flowers and butterfly. Isn't it looking very pretty? And it's very quick idea to gift anyone. So you just need to pull this band like this to open the album, and inside this you will get lots of accordion flaps to add your photos, your journals, tags, anything, and you will get total 9 pockets inside this. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we need scissor, black marker, some colored sketch pens, black, light green and pink color sheets, pencil, ball tool, liquid glue, ruler and any pattern paper pack. First I am taking this pink color sheet which measures 30 by 10.5 centimeters, and from the left side I am marking on 1.5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4.5 and so on after each 1.5 centimeter distance. So continue this till the end. Now I am just making a crease on these markings. Like this. Now start folding these creases in zigzag manner. So this is done. Now I am just trimming the first strip. In the same way we need one more zigzag strip with the same procedure. Now I am taking total 10 black color flaps which measures 10 by 10.5 centimeters, and I will connect this flap between both zigzag accordion folds like this. So just add glue on left and right side folded strip and connect your black panel on top of this. Now fold another zigzag strip and again add glue on both the sides and connect another panel. So repeat this process till you connect all 10 panels. Now I'm adding my last panel. So the accordion base for the album is ready. Now I'm taking this green strip which measures 35 by 10 centimeters. Since I didn't have long strip, so I have connected one more piece of paper to extend this strip. So in this way you can extend your paper size. Now I am just creasing on 12 centimeters from left side, on 15 centimeters, on 27 centimeters and on 30 centimeters. Now fold all the creases. Here I am creating the cover for our album. Now take your accordion folding part and I will just connect this inside the cover like this. Now add little glue on front and back side of the accordion fold and just paste with the base. So the base album is ready. Now I will decorate it using some pattern papers. So this is done. Now I am taking one more green color sheet which measures 33 by 4 centimeters and I am just decorating it using pattern paper strip. Now I will just wrap this band around the album and folding it according to the album shape. Now just add little glue and connect the band around the album like this. Now I have drawn some handmade flowers on white color sheet. Now I'm just outlining it using black permanent marker and coloring it using some sketch pens. Like this. All coloring is done. Now I will just fussy cut these flowers and leaves using my scissor. So all fussy cutting is done. Now I'm just adding half cut pearl in the center of the flowers. This is just a simple way to decorate any band or any card. You can also add quilling flowers or ready-made paper flowers, anything to decorate your band. So I'm just arranging these flowers and leaves on the belt, and now I will connect it using liquid glue. Now I have created this butterfly in my drawing video. I have just fussy cut this butterfly and now I am connecting in right corner. If you want to learn this butterfly, I have given link in description box. You can draw from that link. Now I am adding this small sentiment hello with the band. Now I am taking these 3D pearl effect drops. These are very easy to operate and it gives you real pearl effect. So I'm just adding these drops here and there on the band and also adding some on butterfly. So it will look like this. Let it allow to dry completely for 1 to 2 hours. So the beautiful accordion album with the belly band is ready. You can add any photo, tags, journals, message papers or letters, anything inside these flaps. And after the use, you can just wrap it using this belly band. Isn't it very pretty idea? So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.